The Adventures of Matanui, Part 2. Hello there, and you're probably wondering why that squeaky noise is happening. Well, I captured a dog's toy. Yeah, and now it wants to kill me! Oh yeah, I love to skateboard. You all should know that. I love to play skate. See, look at those out-breaking tricks I'm making. Hold snap. See, look at that. See, I do the confident laugh because I'm probably going to die in the next 10 seconds. Or so. Alright, that was just bad.
I think you were going to jump.
But that proves I'm done. That proves I'm done. I wonder where the fruit is. Ah! Ah! Oh no, I slid on the ice. Nothing happened. You fruity thingies are just decor. Oh. 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 Ah. Ah. You're still decor. Ah. Oh, you mean? Decor. Ah! Thunder Driller. You're a bad cameraman. To the Star Trek mobile. Yay! Man, why does this happen to me? Whoa, whoa! Early bird spiders. Microwave, oh microwave, oh how I love you, microwave. Oh, I killed all these little minifigs. Now it's a good place to relax. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? The end. Seems alright. Wait, where's the box?